How to animate text on Premiere Pro. First, you need to put the text. So to do that, click on the T and then just click on the screen where you want to add the text and write whatever text you want. So I'm going to write hi, subscribe. So this is going to be my text. So I will click on this selection tool and now I'm going to choose how long I want this text to be displayed. So I want it to be displayed for just this much time. Now, once I do that, in order to animate it, I need to go in Windows, click on Workspace and choose Effects. Once I choose Effects, I can click on the text. Once I click on the text under Effect Control at the top left, all this thing will open up. Now to animate it, I need to play around with the keyframe. So I'm going to click on these two and make sure it's highlighted. Once it's highlighted, the first keyframe is created. Now if I want to make this text grow from here to here, I'm just going to put the slider a bit forward and then I'm going to change the text's position like this. And if you want to increase its scale, you can just increase its scale like this. Now from here to here, an animation will be created like this. So the more you play around with these keyframes, the more you will know how to animate it, okay? You can also just click on the layer of the text and just do Control D. It will create a dissolving effect like this as well. So this is a shortcut for dissolving effect, and you can even choose how long you want the dissolve to be over here. So that's basically how you guys can animate text on Premiere Pro. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.